that's it for today's lineup. Now for a segment I'm calling What's in the Box Already. You know this is off script. I want to grab another big one. We're going to grab this great big bad boy from Biggies of the New York Warriors. I'm going to switch cameras and we'll see what we got in here. All right, let's see what we got from Biggies of the New York Warriors. This was my Instagram tag of the day. We'll put that one down. And it looks like I've got myself quite a run of Star Wars Darth Vader. And we're going to start with this one right here, number 17. And then we're going to go 16. 15. Another 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. That's a great cover. Ooh, then I go to 6. It's got a lot of room. Or maybe I don't have it. There's no 8 or 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What else we got here? We got another 1. Looks like the variant edition. And then we have a Vader Down, number 1. Part 106. Vader Annual, number 1. This is the next one, I believe. Vader 3, 2, and 1. That's a nice little run of Vader books from Biggies, home of the New York Warriors auction. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you. Okay, well that was fun. Thanks for taking the time to watch me and our channel today. Please visit me on Facebook and Instagram where I'll be posting this schedule with any ads and or changes. We've also got a Patreon page if you're interested in supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like. If you know of anyone that might be interested in this information or may want to be included in the show, please share this with them. Also, drop me a comment below on how I can improve this show or if there's a channel out there that I should be watching. Now, if you're not already a subscriber, think about subscribing so you don't miss any of this great new content. I mean, who knows? You may find your new favorite channel today. And as always, don't forget, we had a good time. See you guys all later tonight in the chats.